Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson of Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. I just took in this 2017 Ram Promaster City. This is the SLT model. This one has some really nice upgrades. As you can see, it already has a ladder rack equipped with it. On the inside, this does have the backup camera with the Bluetooth. And then there's your adjustments for the power side mirrors and everything. Power windows, power door locks, and then this also, as you can see here, actually has some Sortimo bins already built in. These were professionally done by an installer here in Bradenton. And then there's also the divider if you want to split up your cargo area and the driver and passenger seat. This thing's ready to work. To find out more about this vehicle, you can contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169, and we'll see you soon.